Have to get a cute thumbnail. This is the bag. She's expensive. She's pretty.
Honey.
Hi guys, my name is Jillian and welcome to my channel Handbag Honey, and today I'm going to be giving you a video called What's in My Gucci Camera Bag. So when I was a teenager, I loved watching What's in My Bag videos. Maybe it's because like I'm a journalist, so I'm kind of nosy and I'm just curious to see like what do people actually carry in their bags. Like, do they carry like anything special, anything unique, anything quirky? Like, I don't know, do people really carry hot sauce in their bags? I don't, but some people may. So yeah, this is the Gucci, I'm not sure how to pronounce the actual official name, the Matelassé, I think so. And so she is in a rose, it's kind of like a rose gold, like sort of a beige, not a rose gold, but like a beige color, which is really pretty. I love pink and I love beiges. I think this is a great purse for fall. And it basically goes with anything. It definitely dresses up the piece. And also it has the two double G's in the back, which is really cute too. Yeah, I'm kind of late getting this bag. I got it, we'll say like last month I got it. I know this bag, it probably came out in like 2016 or 2017, but back then I was a college student. I didn't have money to buy $1,200 bags, but now I kind of do. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, and I have this little puff on here. It's from Aldo. I like putting puffs and like little bag charms on my purses because I feel like it kind of dresses it up and gives it some personality, you know? Yeah. Oh, and the zipper too. ASMR. Okay, so the first thing that I have is my Kate Spade key holder. You can kind of compare it to the Louis Vuitton. I think it's the 8-ring key holder if they have it, or the 6-ring key holder. But this one, it has, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has 6 rings. So the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. So I just have my mailbox key, my apartment key, and my car key. I kind of wish like Kate Spade did monogramming. I think it would be really cute to just like have my initials like on one side. But oh, and I love the color. I'm definitely a pink girl. I know you can't really tell since I'm wearing neutrals, but I love anything pink and girly, and I love this bright magenta hot pink. It just says Kate Spade, and this was from this was actually from the outlet. I ordered it on their outlet site, and I can link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So there's that. Next, I have my Coach card holder. So I used to work at the Coach outlet. That was like one of my first jobs after college. I did like, this was actually my first ever Coach purchase at all. Like, even like growing up, I never had like a Coach bag like a lot of the girls did. You know, the ones that were like the fabric bags and it has like the C's on them. Yeah, my mom did not buy me that. And plus, when I was younger, I really wasn't that much into purses. I think like once I got maybe into like 7th grade, I got into them a little bit, but even still then, it really wasn't my style. But I kind of like the cute little winky face. That really stood out to me. And also I kind of like how, I don't know if it's showing up or not, it's kind of, it's like a red, kind of like a burgundy color, which I really like too. I think that's super cute for fall and also year round. And I had this for about 3 years, and I'm really impressed by the quality. Like, as you can see, I'll do a close-up right here. Like, there is no peeling at all on the edge wear or anything. And I used to use this. I don't use it as much since I have other wallets now and other card holders, but I used to use this a lot, and I'm really impressed by how there's no like peeling on the glazing or anything. Yeah, and the leather too is still like looking really good. Like, you can't hardly see any scratches. Even still, if you like do this, there's no scratches. Alright, so basically what I have is just my ID. I'm not going to take them out. My ID, credit card, and then there's a back pocket that I put like my additional cards into. I think I have about 2 additional cards in there. So okay. So last but not least, I have my mini pochette. I actually bought this from Fashion File, and this is from, I believe, the 2019 Christmas collection. I know the mini pochette, it's like everyone and their mama has it, right? But I like the limited edition collections because I feel like obviously not a lot of people have it, and plus, like, you know, if you like look and see people carrying like the mini pochette and also just like other popular Louis Vuitton bags, you kind of have to look at them like, is it real or is it fake, you know? And there aren't many like resellers actually doing this design, so yeah. But I think it's really cute. I love Vivi. I think she's super cute and adorable, and she's just on her carnival ride. Like, look how cute this is. Come on now. And it's really good for basically just doing like a little keep ball and stuff like that. Oh, and by the way, I actually bought this in new. This was like brand new on Fashion File, because I know some of the pieces like that are on Fashion File, they're not in the greatest condition, but obviously, you know, what's to expect. It's like a secondhand store for luxury. But I was really impressed. One thing that really got to me is like, I'm a stickler for like little things, and I love how this zipper right here, like, you see this, like there isn't any tarnishing right now, so hopefully it stays that way. Oh, can't look at focus. And yeah, this actually was made in France. This will focus. So in here I have a pack of tissues because allergy season, and I also have this Laneige lip glowy balm. So this is gonna sound really stupid though, but I honestly thought Laneige was like a French brand, because like, listen to how it sounds, like Laneige, you know, it sounds French. But no, I literally just found out that this is a Korean beauty product. So maybe that's why it works so good. You know, I love my South Korean beauty products. Okay, and it looks like I just have some receipts and Kohl's cash for $5. So that's fun. Yeah, and last but not least, I have this Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. It's called Passion Fruit and Banana Flowers. So yeah, and I obviously would have my phone in there, but I'm filming on my phone, so. And I can give you guys, I can show you guys what the bag looks like empty. So far so good. Like you saw, I've been keeping like my liquids, like my hand sanitizer. Also, I keep lotion, but I don't have it in here right now. And like my lip stuff in there, in the hand sanitizer, my lip stuff in the in like the little pochette, just so it doesn't like leak out on the actual bag. And yeah, I think the bag, the inside is probably suede. This is what it looks like empty. And it can actually fit like quite a lot of stuff. Like, usually I'm the type of person, I just carry my essentials. I don't like carrying a bunch of junk in my purse, just because it like makes me feel like kind of anxious. And also, to me, I just like, I'm kind of a neat freak, if you will. Like, I just like everything to be organized, and I don't like carrying stuff that's unnecessary, really. Because I feel like also, if you like pack your purse up, like, you're basically stretching it out, and it's probably gonna like damage it in a way. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and it would really mean a lot to me if you like this and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks guys, bye.
Honey.